Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today I'll teach you chapter 10, that is rounding numbers. 10th chapter, rounding numbers. So what is the rounding number? What is the round off? You know, in our daily life also we are using this word, okay, that round off the number, okay. For example, suppose you are going to market to buy something and the cost of the article is suppose 51 rupees, okay. So instead of giving 51 rupees to the shopkeeper, you'll say ki take it 50 rupees because 1 rupees change problem, okay. So shopkeeper also will be agree ki okay, let it be, give me 50 rupees. So what we have done, we have round off to 51 50 rupees, okay. But if the cost will be 55 or 56 or 57, so you, in case of 57, 55, 56, 58, 59, you will give 50 rupees, so he will not agree to take. But in case you will say that in place of 59, he will take you give 60 rupees to me, because what is happening, nearest, okay, 51 is nearest to the 50, and more than 55 or 55, it is nearest to 60. So when we are rounding off the number, so whatever the nearest, will take that value, okay. For example, now come to next, attention here, okay, come, rounding to the nearest 10, okay. We can round off the numbers if it depend on the values, okay. We can round off the nearest 10, we can round off nearest 100, we can round off the number nearest 1000, etc. Okay, so here I am telling what is the rule actually, and this rule will follow for all. Round off or rounding the number nearest 10. So suppose you have a 35. 35 is a one value, okay. 35 is a number, okay, and 45 is also one number. So why I made this table? So this is the actual number line. On the number line, suppose this point is representing 35, okay. Then this will be 36, 37, 38, 39, and this is 40, right now. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, and this is 45. So if you have a value 35 and you want to round off this value, okay, round off this value nearest 10, so this value will give 40, okay. And if you want to round off the 45 or less than 45, that is 44 and 43, 42, 41. So if you round off less than 45, means from 44 to 41, okay. So these value also give the values 40. So what is the actual rule? Ki digit in the 10th place. So here in the digit in the 10th place is what? 3. Since here the digit in the 10th place is 4, 3 and 4. Digit in the unit place. So here the digit in the unit place is 5. After this 36, so digit in the unit place will be 6. After this 37, so digit in the unit place will be 7. Getting now? After this digit number will be what? 38. So digit in the unit place will be 8, and then 39. So digit in the unit place will be 9. So I mean that from 35 to 39, the digit in the unit place is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right. So if we are getting any value like 35, 36, so we'll see the digit in the unit place. If the unit place digit is 5 and more than 5, what? 5 and more than 5. So if in any number the digit in the unit place is 5 and more than 5, and if we'll round off it become the coming numbers. Means coming numbers means like 35, and we are rounding off nearest 10. So nearest 10 means either it will be 30 or 40. So what it will be, either it will be 30 or 40. So this 35 will be, when round off, it will give the 40 value, okay, instead of 30. Why? Because unit place value is 5 or more than 5. So this is the rule. So whenever we are rounding off the number, we'll see, suppose we are rounding off the number nearest 10. So values will see ki what is the unit place value. If the unit place value is 5 or more than 5, okay, so it will be next number, next nearest to 10th, okay, otherwise it will be the backward, okay. For example, you can see here 35, when we round off nearest 10 to the 35, it is going to give the 40. Why it is going to give the 40? Because its unit place is 5, okay. And similarly, if the number is 36, this also nearest to 40 and the unit place value is 6. Then 37, if we are taking 37, so this also going to give the value 40. Then 38, then 39, these all values, okay, will give 40 when we'll round off, right, okay. Then if we'll see this value is what? 41, and then 42, then 43, then 44. So till 41 to 44, these all value when we round off, it also will give 40. But if you see 45, 46, 47, so these value, if we'll take 46, 47, 48, 49, and we'll round off these values, so this become 50, right? Because again from 5 to 9, this will give the next nearest to 10th, right now. So the rule is, first we'll see the unit place value, unit place value. So unit place, what is that? If in the unit place is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then what is that? Then will increase the 10th place. This is rule for rounding of the 10th. So we'll increase the 10th place digit by 1. So here the 10th place digit is 3. So we'll increase this value, okay, by 1. So this 3 become 4, and the unit place, whatever it will come, 0 and 0 in the unit place, means other values become 0, in the unit place become 0, okay. But if in case the values is in the unit place 1, 2, 3 and 4, like 41, 42, 41, 42, like, okay, 44, 43, 42 and 41. So if in the unit place is 1, 2, 3 and 4, so the 10th place digit, this is the 10th place digit is here, so 10th place digit will keep as it is. We are not going to increase by 1, and the unit place digit become 0, right now. So you understand कि if the number is 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and will round off nearest 10, so these all are going to give 40. Why? Because in the unit place are 5 here, 6 here, 7, 8 and 9. And I said, if in the unit place 5 or more than 5 is there, so in the 10th place digit will be increased by 1 and unit place digit become 4. So the value become 40. Okay. Same thing if the number are 41, 42, 43, 44. So these all value also when we round off it will give 40. Right now? 41, 42, 43, 44, these also are going to, when we round off nearest 10, it will give 40. Why? Because in the unit place is 1 here, in the unit place here 3, 2 and here 3 and here 4. So as I told you, according to the rule, digit in the unit place is 1, 2, 3. So we'll keep the 10th place digit as it is. So means we'll keep the 4 as it is and the unit place digit become 0. Okay. So it is clear when we'll add 1 in the 10th place digit if the unit place is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Are you getting now? Right? So here in the 10th place digit will increased by 1, means from 3 it become 4 and unit place become 0. So it will give 40. And here if the unit place digit is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 10th place digit will keep as it is. Are you getting now? Clear now? If the unit place digit is 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 10th place digit, that is 4, 4 is every here. Okay, so we'll keep the 10th place digit as it is and unit place become 0. So the value will be 40. So I mean that if the number is from 35 to 39 or from 41 to 44, if these number will round off nearest 10, so these number are going to give the values 40, right? Some more other questions we are taking. Suppose numbers are, I am taking the question from your book. Exercise, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so suppose the number is 58. Round off the following number to the nearest 10. So we are taking question from your book only. Exercise, round off the following number to the nearest 10. And suppose the number is 58. What is the number is? 58. So what the rule is that first we'll see the unit place digit. So here the unit place digit is what? 8. Okay. So since the unit place digit is 8. So what the rule is saying, if the unit place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So we'll increase. What will increase? We'll increase the 10th place digit by 1. Means 5 plus 1, so it becomes 6. So this value becomes 6 and unit place digit becomes 0. So this 58 when we'll round off nearest 10, it is going to give the 60. Okay, more example I am telling. Second number, suppose that is 74. Okay, so this number is 74. We want to round off nearest 10. Okay, means it is near to 70 or it will be near to 80, because when we'll round off this 74 nearest 10, so either it will give 70 or 80, right? So it is near to 70 or 80. For checking it, what is the rule? We'll see the first unit place digit. So here the unit place digit is 4. Unit place digit is 4, and according to the rule, if the unit place digit is 1, 2, 3 or 4, so the 10th place digit will keep as it is. We are not going to add in the 10th place digit. Why? Because here the unit place digit is 4. Okay, if the unit place digit is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 10th place digit will as it is. We are not going to increase by 1. This, okay, and the unit place become 0. So this 74 round off, when we round off 74 nearest 10, it will be 70. Got it? Instead of 74, if it will be here 75 and will round off the 75, definitely it is going to give the values 80. Okay, why 80 it will give? Because in the unit place digit is 5 and the rule is saying that if the unit place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then that time will increase the 10th place digit by 1. Will increase the 10th place digit by 1. So here 7 and 10th place digit is, here it is 5 and 10th place digit is 7. So we'll increase 7 by 1, so it become 8 and the unit place digit become 0. Okay, so the round off value will be 80. More example, you can take like 97. So 97, again here what? Unit place digit is 7. Okay, so 10th place digit will increase by 1. Okay, so it become 10. Okay, and this value unit place digit become 0. So the 97, when we'll round off nearest 10, it will give 100. Okay, or you can see in the number line also, suppose this is 95, this is here 90, and this is 100. So definitely 95, so less than 95 means 94, 93, 92 and 91, and here 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So if you see in the number line also, from this value, which one? See, from this value 95, see from the 95. So 95 and more than 95, if you'll see in the number line, you'll see that these all numbers are close to or near to 100. Since from 94 to 91, these numbers are close to 90. Okay, that, or as per the rule also, if the unit place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, if the unit place digit is that, so will increase the 10th place digit. Here the 10th place digit is 97. In 97, 10th place digit is what? 9. So that will be increased by 1 and the unit place digit become 0 as per the rule, right? So you can solve by the rule also. Okay, you must know the rule. What is the rule? Is that unit place digit, if it is 5 or more than 5, means 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So 10th place digit will be increased by 1 and unit place digit become 0. Okay, and if in case unit place digit is less than 5, means 4, 3, 2 or 1. So we are not going to increase the 10th place digit, it will be remain same and the unit place digit become 0. So for 94, this will be same and this become 0, so nearest to 90. So round off of 94, 93, 92, 91 will be 90, since 95, 96, 97, 98, 98, this will be round off, it will give 100. Okay, clear? Now second question I am taking, right? In second question, we have to round off nearest 100. Nearest 100, suppose the number, second question, round off nearest 100. Suppose the value is 1277. 1277. We have to convert or round off this value 1277 nearest 100. Nearest 100, it means it will be near to 1200 or it will be near to 1300. That is means this 200 we have to convert in nearest to round off to 100. So whether it will be 200 or 300, that we have to find out. So for that, since we want to nearest 100, so we'll see the 100 place value. What will see? 100 place value. So here what is the 100th place value? That is 2. Okay, 2 is in 100 place value. Attention it, full and nicely attention it, and you'll see what I am telling right now. So in 100 place, what is that? 2 in the 100 place. After that, we'll see the 10th place there. So in the 10th place, what is that? In the 10th place, it is 7. In the 100 place is 2, but in the 10th place here 7. Okay, so since this is 7, the 100th place value will be increased by 1 and other value become 0. Other value become 0. Right now, so what I have done, since we are rounding off nearest 100, so we'll see first 100 place value, then we'll see in the 10th place value. So in 100th place it is 2, right? Okay, I am written 2. Then we have seen that what is in the 10th place. So 10th place is 7. So here the rule will be कि if the 10th place value will be 5 or more than 5. 10th place value means 10th place digit. 10th place digit will be if 5 or more than 5, so we increase the 100th place digit by 1, okay, and other will be 0. So this value 12,1277 become 1,300 when we'll round off nearest date. And if you see in the number line also, suppose this is 1,250. So all the values less than 1,250, okay, less than 1,050, all the values when we round off it will give 1200. Since 1,250 and more than 1,250, these all values are going to give when we round off 1,300 as per the rule. If the unit place, here we'll see the 10th place digit. If the 10th place digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then the 100th place digit will be increased by 1. So the round off of 1,277, it will be how much? 1,300. Got it, everyone? Right. Now I am telling the other one, okay, means the second problem with this. The third one, that is suppose that 543 when we'll round off, so it will be near to 500 or 600, okay. So see the number line, this is the number line, this is 500 and this is 600. So we have to find that it will be near to 500 or 600. In the middle what it will come? 550. So as per the rule, if the, here we'll see the 10th place digit. So 10th place digit is 5. So as the rule, you know, if the 10th place digit here, it will be 5 or more than 5. So what we'll do? We'll increase the 100th place digit by 1. Okay. So here the 100th place digit is 5. So this 100th place digit, that 5, will be increased by 1 and the other two place values become 0. So this will be 6 and other, so the round off value is 600, right? Or in the number line also you will see this is 500, this is 600, middle it will be 550 and the and in the middle you will see this value 543, where it will be, if the value will be more than 550 and more than 550, so it will be 550. But you'll see the, what is the in the 10th place digit is here, in the 10th place digit is here 4, means this value is this side. So suppose it is here 543. So since here in the 10th place digit, that is what? That is 4. That is 4. So since it is less than 5, that's why the 5 remain 5 and other values will be 0. So 543 when we'll round off, so it is rounded values of 543. Okay, what it will be? Rounded values of 543. It will be 500. So why it is 500? Clear no? As I told you that if it will be in the 10th place digit, if it will be 5 or more than 5, then will increase 5 by 1 and other value become 00. So then it will be 600. But here since in 543 it is 43, that's why this, because of the 4, this will be round off, so 5 remains same, it is not going to increase, and the unit and 10th place digit will be 0, so it is near to 500. Got it? It is clear, very easy and clear that if the value it near to next one, means in, we'll see that if we are rounding off near to 100, okay, so we'll see the 10th place digit, right now, as we're seeing the unit place digit when we are rounding off near 10, Okay, when we are rounding off near tens, we were seeing the unit place digit, but here we are rounding off near to hundreds, so we are seeing the tens place digit. So here tens place digit, if it will be 5 or more than 5, then it will be 100 place digit will be going to increase by 1 and other value is going to 0, 0. But if it is less than 5, so the unit 100 place digit will remain same and unit and tens place digit become 0 and 0. So 543 will be 500. Okay. Now the next is, suppose the number is 3297. This is the number. So again you will see we have to round off near to 100, means this is going to 3300 or 3200. Okay, this will be near to 3300 200 or 3300. What value it will give, this one or this one, right, when we round off. So we have to check. So what I told you, since we want to round off this value, this will remain same 3000, so this will be near to 200 or 300. So what we'll do, we'll see the tens place digit. What is the tens place digit? That is 9. So since this is 9, this will be increased by 1 and these two become 0. So this when will increase by 1, it will be 3, other will be 2. So round off of equal to 3300. So rounding of this, okay, and rounded values of, you can write the rounded value of this is 3300. Got it? So like this will solve. I think you have understood now okay, how will round off the values near to 100. Okay, so what we have to do, if you want to round off the value near to 100, so we'll see the values in tens place. Ten value means digit. We'll see the digit at the tens place. So what digit is at the tens place? If the digit at the tens place is 5 or more than 5, right? Again I am telling, now listen carefully. If we want to round off any values near to 100, so we'll see the value, we'll see the digit, value not, we'll see the digit in tens place. Okay, what digit is in tens place? If the tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, means 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what we'll do, we'll increase the hundreds place digit by 1 and tens and unit place digit will be 0 and that will be the round off. Clear? Now the next one, that is third question. The third question is round off the following number nearest 1000. Now we have to round off nearest 1000. So what is the number is 24,546. So we have to round off nearest 1000. So if we round off nearest 1000, so whether it will be give 24,000 or it will give 25,000, that we have to find out. So simple thing, since we are rounding off here the 1000, we'll see the digit at the 100th place. So unit, 10 and 100. So what is the digit at the 100th place? The digit at the 100th place is 5. Okay, and rule is if the digit is 5 or more than 5, so before 1 will be increased by 1. Okay, so since this is 5, okay, so the 1000 place digit here will be increased by 1 and this will be 0. So the round off value of 24,546 will be 25,000. Why? Again I am telling, now this time we are rounding off nearest to 10,000. We'll see the digit at the 100 place. So 100 place digit is here 5. Okay, so since the 100 place digit is 5, the 1000 place digit, that is 4, it will be increased by 1, means from 4 it will be 5, and these 3 value will be 0. So these 3 digits become 0. So the answer is 25,000. In the number line also you will see, suppose this is 24,000 and this is 25,000. Okay, right now? So in the middle, what it will come? In the middle it will come 24,500. So all the values included this. Okay, all the value which will be more, which will be 24,500 or more than 24,500, when we round off, it will give 25,000. And the value which is less than, either a one digit, one number less than this, will give the round off value 24,000. Means if the values is here 24,499 instead of 546, these all value will be, when round off, it will give 24,000. But more than from this. Okay, from this will give, from this 24,500 included this, all more value will be here too. And law, you understand the rule? Since we are rounding off nearest to 10,000, we will see the 100 place digit. If the 100 place digit will be 5 or more than 5, 1000 place digit will be increased by 1, and these will be become 0. So this same process, same funda, same formula for all this type of question. Okay, right? One more. This was a round off nearest 1000. Now nearest for 10,000. I am telling. Question number 4. Fourth question, that is round off the following number nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. So the number is 64,190. So we have to tell it will be nearest to 60,000 or 70,000. So definitely you will say it is nearest to 60,000 instead of 70,000. Why? Because now we'll see the 1000 place digit. 1000 place digit is 4. Okay, if in case 64,000, it will be 65,190. Okay, and if I'll ask you, okay, it is nearest to 60,000 or 70,000. So definitely you will say it is nearest to 70,000. Here it is nearest to 60,000. Here it will be nearest to. Why? Because in 1000 place is it here is 4, which is less than 5, and here in the 1000 place is 5. And rule is that if it is 5 or more than 5, this value will increase 1. Okay, so if in the 1000 place is here 5, 10,000 place number will be increased by 1, other become 0. So this will be nearest to 70,000. Second, if the number is 73,150, so you have to tell it will be nearest to 70,000 or it will be nearest to 80,000. Why? Because we are converting nearest 10,000. So we will not take 74 or 75. We have to take 70 or 80. So definitely, since the 1000 place, what is in 1000 place digit? 1000 place digit is here 3. That is less than 5. That's why this value will remain same and these become 0. So it is nearest to 70,000 instead of 80,000. Okay, the next number is, suppose the next number is 79,109. So if we round off, so it will be nearest to 70,000 or 80,000, that we have to tell. It is nearest to 70,000 or 80,000, right? So you will say definitely it is nearest to 80,000. Which value? It is nearest to 80,000. Why it is nearest to 80,000? Because in the thousand place is 9. So the 10,000 digit will be increased by 1 and other will be 0. Understand, no? So this funda is for all the question. Okay, that you have to remember. So when this type of question will solve, you will write, since in the thousand place digit is 9, 10,000 digit will be increased by 1, so 7 plus 1, that is 8, other become 0, so it is 80,000. This manner you solve it, and I'll send the solution, proper solution, through the PDF. Here I explain you why it is coming. Okay, right. Now nearest lakh. Okay, next question. Nearest lakh. Round off, fifth question, that is round off nearest lakh. Okay, so nearest lakh, suppose the number is 3 34,75,679.78. So you have to tell it is nearest to 30 lakh, okay, or 40 lakh, that you have to tell. So here also same process. We'll see the values in the lakh place. So in the lakh place, what is that? 4. 4 which is less than 5. So this will be remain same and other value become 0. Other digit become 0. This will remain same since this is 4. In the lakh place digit is 4. That's why 3 will be as it is, will keep it edited, and other digit become 0. So the answer is 30 lakh. So this value is nearest to 30 lakh. Other you see, suppose the number is 49 lakh, okay, 93,987. So it will be nearest to 40 lakh or it will be nearest to 50 lakh. So definitely you will be answer that it is nearest to 50 lakh. This one. This is wrong, this is correct. When will round off nearest? Why? Because in the lakh place digit, that is 9. So since this lakh place digit is 9, 10 lakh place digit will be increased by 1. So 4 plus 1 to 5 and other become 0. Same process for all. Right now? So this was the round off. Last question of this exercise. What number can be rounded to 160, 200, 170, 290? Let's see. It's very easy, right now? I'm telling. Next question. What number can be rounded to? Means you have to tell which number can be rounded to 160. So all the number which will be 155 or more than 155, that is 160, 58, 159, this will be rounded off 160. Okay, and the number 161, 162, 163, 164, these. So these number and these. When we'll round off these value, these number will give 160 and these numbers also will give 160. So question is, what number can be rounded to 160? So the number which can be rounded to 160 are 155, 156, 157, 158, 159 and 161, 162, 163, 164. Right? Here less than 5 will be round off 160. Here 5 more than 5 will be rounded off 160. So these number when we round it, it will give near 160 value. Same thing for the other also, like B1 1600. So what the number will be give 1600. So here it is 1600. So when we round off, what number is going to give the 1600? So the number will be 1500, 1555. Okay, 1555, 1556, from this to 1559, and here 1600, 1 to 1649. These number is going to 1600 and here these number are going to give the 1600, because in the number line or the rule, keep 5 more than 5 become 1. Okay, increase by 1. So this was the first exercise. Second exercise of this round off, that is significant. Okay, second exercise I am telling, a round off to two significant figures. So significant figures means there will be only a digit, other will be 0. That is called the significant. I am taking the question, you will be understand better, right? The second exercise of this is round off to two significant figures. So significant figure means whenever we are taking, so there if we are taking one significant means there will be one digit, other digit will be 0. Okay, that is meaning of significant. If you are taking the round of the two significant figure, or so there will be two digit, other will be 0. For example, first question is round off to two significant figure. Two significant figure. Okay, so first one is 4650. So only two digit will be there, other digit become 0. So since it is 465, so we'll see this digit. Okay, this is because two significant figures, so two figures, so we'll take 46, but if this one is 5, so this 6 will be increase 1 and the answer will be 4700. Why? Because we are taking the two significant figures, so we are taking the two digit 46, then we are seeing the left one digit, so left digit is here 5, so since this is 5, this will be increase 1 and other two, last two will become 0. So the answer, got it? Second one is, that is 40,532. So here also we'll take the two significant, so two significant figure, this is 40532, right now. So what it become? 40,000. So this is 5, so it become 41,000. So this become, why? Because this is 4. We are taking first two digit, then we are seeing the third one, which is that. So this is 5. So since this is 5, this value increase 1 and the answer will be 41,000. Got it? So this rule is for all. Similarly, if it is 5.792 in decimal. So 2 significant digit will take 5.7, other become 0, but this one is 9. So since it is more than 5, this value will increase 1. So the answer will be what? 5.8. This is the answer. Why? Because this one was 9. So we'll increase this value 1. So the answer will be 5.8. So 2 significant. Other you can write 0, 0. So the same thing, either you will write 5.8 or 5.800. The answer is the same. Okay. So you understand, you can take any question like second question, round off one significant figure. One significant figure, second question. One significant figure, that is 7.7. So means only one digit we want. So since this is 7, the answer will be 8.0 or only 8. Second one is 99, one significant figure. So what it will be? 100, because the one digit only. There is a one digit, other is 0. Okay, so this answer will be 100. Then 4679, one significant figure, means one digit, there will be one digit, other digit will be 0. So since this is 6, okay, we can write it 46, so it will be 5 and other will be, this will be increase 1, other become 0. Okay, so for the one significant figure, one digit will be there, other digit become 0. And rule is saying that if the next one is 5 more than 5, will increase this value by 1. The same rule for all. Okay. Similarly, if it is 5.673 and we want to write in one significant figure, so this is 6, so this becomes 6.00, like this will solve. Okay. So like this, with these questions, the chapter 10 is over. Okay. Now I will explain you the next chapter, that is chapter number 24. Okay, that is geometry. Okay.